How classy is that? Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been long, but it is the holidays and we are going to be opening up some cute PR packages that I was gifted by YSL Beauty, Yves Saint Laurent. I love their products. So we got this heavy bad boy. It's been sitting in my room because I was not opening it. I want you guys to open it up with me. And this is the little card that they sent. And it's the luxury holiday advent calendar. Is beautiful, so cute. Oh my god, where do I start? Wow. Okay, I really have to show you guys this. What the hell? All right guys, what should we open up? Let's do one. Oh, cute, a little lipstick. And that actually, I think this is my perfect nude. Two, waterproof eyeliner. We love that because we will not be crying over losers. Number 3, I think this is a perfume. Oh, I was right. It's the Black Opium ED perfume. Ooh. Oh my god, that is so cute. Let me see what this smells like. Oh, not bad. Let's put it on my sheets. Ooh, this is cute. This is a... Oh my god, that is gorgeous. I will be wearing this for New Year's Eve. Yes, the full item. Oh no, I think it's a mascara. Highly pigmented velvet matte lipstick. Packaging is so masculine and so sexy. Oh wow. Okay, I don't even know which red I'm gonna do, but these are stunning. Oh, it's a perfume. I don't know which one this is. I'm afraid to smell it. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is definitely masculine. This is like something you would gift your man. This is like a gift for a guy. Smells great though. Oh, Pure Shot Night Boost. This is actually really cool. It's like summer in a bottle. Okay, it says Pure Shot, so I would assume that you put this in your mouth to drink. It's for your face. This has to do with skincare. I would have thought that this was to be consumed. Also another one, Pure Shots Lotion Essence Hydra Boost. So a little cute sample for your skincare routine. Bold, intense color shine, ultimate comfort for your lips. Anything that says ultra comfort is amazing. Of course, cute same packaging as before. Ooh, so this is more like a red lip shine. So it's not like a lipstick. I'm pretty sure it glides on smooth. It's kind of what I have on right now. This is from Clarence. Ooh, another Pure Shot, I think. This says Expert Makeup Remover, Top Secret. I think I've heard about this. I'm not too sure, but I've heard about it definitely maybe like once. You can tell there's like some type of oil in there. It's like separate. That's cute. I love pink. This is the Oil and Stick Rouge Volupte Shine. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so they actually sent me PR in the summer with a whole bunch of these, and these are the best things ever. I literally wear it all the time. Oh my god, this color is stunning. If you guys want to see a video of me using the other products, let me know in the comments below. I will definitely show you guys those products. Oh, it's beige satin. It's really cute. And I just love their packaging. Like, how classy is that? Classy. Classy. Alright, I don't know what this is. Could be mascara like I've been waiting for. Of course, yes it is. It is a mascara, a little sample size. This is the mascara volume. And let's just see what that brush looks like. Okay. Cute. Kind of looks like blue black. Never seen this type of YSL perfume before. Pretty sure. Okay, I don't like that smell. 14. Another lipstick. Ooh, dark red, feminine, fatal energy, dark feminine, divine, mysterious, all of the above. That's sexy. I also think I've refractured my pinky toe, so like it's low-key hurting. What is this? Lash Clash. Okay, cute. 16. Another perfume. Ooh. La Nuit de l'Homme. Oh, this is for men. This is for a man. Let me smell this though. Let me see if this makes the panties go low. Okay. See, if I had a man, I would gift this to him, but I don't. So, ooh, 17. I don't know what this is. I think I wanted to try this. It says O.R. Roche La Creme Essential. Is this a blush? I think this is a blush. Hold on. Ooh. I don't know what this is, but bro, it's not even a blush. It's a cream. That's face and neck cream. Okay. I just realized we have no blush. I want to see a blush in here. Y'all think we're gonna see a blush? If y'all think so, comment below. Say blush. 18. Another Ready to Cure Shine Lip Color. Yeah. Look at that. All the packages, by the way, look the same. So this color is not the color of the actual product, I believe. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, this is stunning. This is stunning. This is nude lingerie. I don't know if I already have this. I would have to double check, but YSL is doing their thing with those lip products. Trust me. Another Pure Shots Soft Polish Double Essence. And I'm not really sure how you use essence. I'm assuming it goes on after a serum, I think. Ooh, this is cute. It says Mon Paris, my Paris. This is another perfume. This actually looks really cute. I've never seen this. How cute is that? So cute. This is so cute. Let me see how this smells. It smells like, it reminds me of high school. Like, this is rare during high school. This is actually really cute. Okay, let's go to 21. Is this a blush? This is the Eye Reboot Pure Shot. Another one. I have dark under eye circles, if you don't know. So I'm really excited to use this because for me it's genetic and it's not as bad as it was when I was younger because I do take care of my skin, but it never hurts to try something new, right? And let's go to 22. Ooh, this is heavy. What is this? Is this the key? I think this is a key. It's not a key. It's definitely like some type of ornament. Last time I had a key, I was hanging it in my closet and I sprayed perfume on it. Oh my god. This is a mirror. This is cute. Okay guys, I only have 2 compact mirrors. One of them is Liz Claiborne, I believe. I stole that from my mom and been using it since high school. It's literally all silverware. The next one I got from Puerto Rico and it broke, of course. It was like made of plastic on the outside. But this is so heavy. Like, look at you guys. This is so heavy that I'm afraid if I drop this, it will literally break. But like, how thin is this and how cute it is. You could just slip it out your bag and check yourself. And it doesn't distort your face. 3. We are almost done, guys. Will we find a blush? We'll see. Another perfume, Libre. Oh, I think I have a sample of this. I think this is actually my favorite. Let me see. Yes, I have a sample of this already. Guys, we are at the last one. Let's see what this last one is. It's 24. It's in a big compartment, so we'll see. Is it a blush? It's not a blush. What is this? Leather matte lipstick, 1966. I know this is a red. Anything from the 60s has to do with red lipstick. Ooh, okay. Honestly, I don't even know which red I'm gonna keep. I guess that's a sign for me to keep all of them. Thank you guys for unboxing this advent calendar with me. Let me know in the comments below if you would love to see more videos like this. Comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. And if you want to see me try on the other Ultra Shine lip gloss that I got gifted, let me know in the comments below. I can make a separate video. See you guys next time. Hope you guys are enjoying the holidays.